Today we're making these really easy fudge chocolates. Start by adding milk powder to a bowl. Add in some cocoa powder. And mix the two together. Then set aside. In a vessel, you're going to heat some water. Place another bowl on top and make sure the bottom is not touching the water. Then add in some butter and melt it by stirring it slowly. Then to this you're going to add in some powdered sugar and mix it in. As soon as it dissolves, you're going to add in your milk powder and cocoa mixture. Mix it in till it has dissolved. And then you're going to take this off the heat. Then press the chocolate mixture in your favorite mold. And make sure to press it properly if you want your chocolates to be smooth. I did not press the chocolate hard enough, so I had a few bubbles on the surface of the chocolate, but it's okay because you're just going to eat them. And then you're going to refrigerate these for 30 minutes. After that, you can demold them onto your favorite tray. You can also wrap these up and they would make the perfect Christmas present. These chocolates taste just as good as ready-made chocolates, if not better. And they have a fudgy texture when you bite into them. Make sure to try these out for yourself this Christmas, and I hope you enjoy them. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new recipes, and I will see you soon.